Are you considering a rebrand or brand refresh, but you're not quite sure where to start to get a profitable return on your investment and increase sales? Do you have an outstanding product or service, but you're feeling frustrated because many of your ideal customers don't know who you are or that you have the perfect solution for them? Worse still, are your competitors with a lower quality offering outperforming you so your customers are buying from them instead of you? The truth is, there's a lot more to successful branding than marketing campaigns or design alone, because branding strategy is not marketing or design. Branding strategy is the bedrock underpinning your whole business. It provides the direction for key commercial decisions in your business and the critical direction for marketing campaigns and design execution. So if you don't have a robust brand strategy underlying everything you do, it's far more difficult to achieve all the commercial objectives all your hard work so richly deserves. In fact, it's a bit like going on a road journey in a foreign country where you can't read or speak the language, you don't have GPS or Google Maps, or even an old-fashioned paper map, and you're hoping to get to your destination expeditiously. Challenging, hey? You see, your brand is the story, the personality, purpose, vision, mission, values, and promise it makes to meet your customers' expectations in certain ways. The collection of experiences your customers have every time they engage with your brand through your products, your services, and the people that represent and champion your brand. These are some of the key elements that will collectively make up what a powerful brand is. So the question is, how well developed are all the key factors that make up your brand strategy? There are in fact 12 core areas that make up a strong, effective brand strategy. So do you think maybe you're missing some of them? Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. I have over 20 years award-winning expertise, working nationally and internationally with many household names, small and large. And I'd love to share some of that professional big brand know-how with you now, so you can unlock the systems and processes used to build powerhouse brands and increase your profits. Would you like your brand to have far greater visibility, credibility, likability, to stand out head and shoulders above your competitors with the pulling power that attracts your ideal customers in droves and converts them into repeat purchases? Do you want to discover how to ensure your rebrand or brand refresh makes you thriving and unstoppable with 7 or 8 figure growth? Click the link to discover more.